Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your skin care with CeraVe detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your skin type. Understanding your skin type is crucial for selecting the right products. CeraVe offers formulations for normal, oily, dry, and combination skin. Once you've identified your skin type, choose a suitable CeraVe cleanser. For dry skin, the hydrating cleanser is ideal. For oily or acne-prone skin, consider the foaming cleanser. Apply the cleanser to damp skin using gentle circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Next, apply a CeraVe moisturizer to help lock in hydration. If you have oily skin, the lightweight, oil-free moisturizing gel cream may be best. For dry skin, opt for the rich moisturizing cream. CeraVe's AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion provides broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection. Apply sunscreen generously every morning. After moisturizing and applying sunscreen, consider incorporating a CeraVe serum. The CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum is excellent for hydration. Apply serums on slightly damp skin for better absorption. If you have specific skin concerns like acne or uneven texture, use CeraVe's targeted treatments. The CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum can help with uneven skin tone and texture. Follow with a nighttime moisturizer. Look for the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion for nighttime use. This will support your skin's repair process while you sleep. Introduce new products gradually to avoid irritation. Monitor your skin's response over a few weeks. Adjust your routine as needed based on your skin's reactions. Incorporate CeraVe's products into your routine consistently for the best results. Consider consulting a dermatologist for personalized advice. CeraVe's products are designed to work together seamlessly. Consistency and patience are key to improving your skincare routine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.